The unique benefits of studying this course at BMU in partnership with the Wycombe Wanderers Foundation would be the extensive industry connections that we have and that you can also make to really put you ahead of the crowd when you come to graduating. You'll study sport coaching modules at both level 4 and level 5. You'll have access to all facilities that our BMU students do, as well as the lovely facilities we have at Adams Park.
As part of the course, you'll be doing placements with the Wycombe Wanderers Foundation, which includes going out to our sessions within our 3 departments.
I like that it's quite a small group on my course, so we've got 6 of us, so it feels like you get quite a lot of one-to-one attention.
By studying on this course, you can go on to be naturally a football coach. You could also go on to be kind of more a community coach. You could be a development officer. You could even go on to be a PE teacher, as well as if you wanted to do a top-up year, so you can study a full degree either with us or elsewhere should your circumstances change. And then naturally you can go on to further education, so if you wanted to study for a master's.